So we have awesome Hebert Travels and Pauhana with us, and RV Love. Sorry guys for interrupting, but we just took a tour. Gotta be careful with the cameras. We just took a tour of the collab, and they're taking us around town and having us check everything out. Super cool. super cool. There's Geo Astro speaking in the back. Astro, say hi. All right, so take a tour with us. So a fun little stat about Wellington, Texas. It is a tiny little city with only about 2,000 population, and also it's only about 1.4 square miles, the entire city.
Here we are, guys. Yeah, the Astro van, or the Astro, Geo Astro. It's a serious rig. That's a serious rig. There it is, the RV Nomads. Oh my God!
So here we are entering the collab, which, what a transformation. We were not here for the entire remodel, but we were seeing pictures and the progress. And the cast and crew that was here early did such a phenomenal job. Oh my goodness, where it came from to where it is now, it's a huge makeover. They just totally did a great job, and it's such a neat thing. Although we were not here, we know that the work they put into this, just everybody is so focused on the bigger picture and the future vision. It's just such an amazing and humbling experience to be part of such an incredible group of like-minded nomads.
This is behind the scenes in Epic Nomad TV.
This wall right here represents some incredible people with very epic stories that are being elevated to inspire everyone out there. So incredible. We are definitely fans of the bar. I mean, it's amazing. There is a work area and play area. Yes! They truly thought of everything here. The kids were totally digging this tent area. There was toys for them, coloring books, G.I. Joes, little ponies, so thoughtful. So this was an excellent kid-approved area. The question is, do you epic? Please don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any updates on our trip here in Wellington.